Now to understand, this is simply transposing. This is the first part. Now this is the bottom of the second one. So basically going like this. Right. And you just transpose it all around. Done. Hope that's. Can you see it? Just stare at it for a second. Took me forever to make this thing. What's the time on the video? 27 minutes. Oh my goodness. Anyways, you see the Star of David. These would be the Star of David. So. See the hexagons. This is the Star of David is basically where these things are. I just never filled out the rest of it. So it's just like one part of it. Boom, 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 and then the tops of this of the 10 sefirot will be here, 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 here. It's basically the center of the Triforce. So basically I'm going to show you how this is the flower of life. This is the moment. If you skipped all that video, this is where you should be starting. And this is what, okay, 29, almost 30 minutes in. So basically, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so the Star of David is where basically you start the circles. So basically each point is going to be where the circles begin, and then you do it the other way. So basically I'm going to follow the circle this way, out this way, and I might have to fill it in a bit more. Oh, I don't have to fill it in more. I've done this in so long. I might have to fill it in more to catch the full circle, so I might have to keep going and fill these parts out. I can do that after I show you where all the circles are. So, to start the first circle, I guess I should do it in ink or pencil. I guess I could just do it in pencil first. Maybe this is enough that you can just see where the circles are hitting the outside rather than having to go through all of this. It's just way too time consuming. All right, take my blue little pen and see that. I'll try to make a pretty big, heck, should I just get marker on this? Got some markers. Try to make these nice, pretty blue lines. Try to make them thick. Okay, first one. That should be on the picture, right? Yeah. So you see it comes out, traces around. You can see that it's pretty self-explanatory. That's one circle. You see how it exits through the top of the Star of David and it enters through the side. Okay, that is one. So the second one is going to be obviously through the next point. Alright, I'm back. Sorry about the delay. I actually ran out of storage on my iPhone, which is what I'm filming on. I'm cheap, I don't have a GoPro or anything, so I did take the time to finish drawing this masterpiece. I don't know what to call it. Anyways, I apologize for any background noise. I can try to put it on Audacity and try to clean it up or something, but for the time being, you must suffer this. Anyways, it's a... oh, I actually did not finish drawing. I sharpened my pencil too, so I got just a few more dots to put. Eating soup. I think I got most of the lines drawn in. Okay, so let's finish these circles. I will try to put some videos, but you can see the outside. You can see these are circles. The outside are circles. There's very famous pictures of the circle in the middle and these outside ones being circles. Anyways, okay, where was I? So, 1, 2. Oh, I never finished this one, so. Okay. Now we got 3 circles. 1, 2, 3 circles done. this is the tree of life, basically. We're inside of the flower of life. I've done 12 circles, yeah. The flower of life is, I guess, 6, and then you do in the halfway point, you go around, make the flower of life again. So I've got 12 circles around the one in the middle. You know, you count the points, 1, 2, 3, it's 12. So how it works is you can see the again, you got the 12, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And you got 12 circles. You can see where I shaded in. Where I shaded in would be these things I shaded in.